Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun Moon Venus Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 1st of December and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, please keep that in mind. Okay, and if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you are going to find the links to book the slots. And for my course and for my like Ho'oponopono masterclass, the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can check out the link and you will definitely get the uh, masterclass. If you have any issues, please let me know via mail and we will sort it out. My team and me, maybe whosoever is going to be present. Let's see, Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Six of Cups here. Someone is missing you like crazy, Scorpio. There is this Six of Cups is missing somebody badly, missing their energy, missing their vibes, missing whatever was happening between you guys. It's like a strong soul connection between you and somebody, and they're kind of missing you like crazy. Even if you guys are living in the same house, there is this energy of we guys used to had so much fun, or we guys had this or that or whatever. Let me clarify the Six of Cups, honey, as their feelings for you. Four of Pentacles, High Priestess, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. See, this person is holding on to the memories. They're not living in the present moment between you, like in this connection between you and them. They're continuously living in the past, and they're trying to make the future best by living in the past. They're like, my future with Scorpio is going to be so beautiful if we are going to make it something that it used to be in the past. This person is not able to understand that the past is gone and with time everything changes, right? But they're kind of refusing to accept it that the past is gone and you guys have to evolve. They're kind of in this energy of, I want the past back in the situation as it used to be between me and Scorpio, and they can't stop thinking about it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Four of Swords. You are in the detachment mode right now, not fully detached from the idea of being with this person, but you're in the healing mode right now. You're taking your time, you're taking your time to understand everything in the situation, and you're taking your time to heal yourself properly in order to give the best in this direction. Let's clarify the Four of Swords from your side, Scorpio. We have the Two of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles. From your side, you're not able to understand what you should do in this direction to make this connection work out as beautifully as you can. You're kind of feeling like a blockage here. You're not able to see the clear picture of the future between you and this person. Although you have a lot of love to give to this person, although you feel you should start from the beginning, but at the same time, you're not able to understand what you should do. That is why you're taking your time. That is the right thing to do. You are doing the right thing, and you're in this energy of journey of self-love, self-care and self-healing, and you're moving forward with that kind of energy of, okay, I have to get my shit together, then I will see what I can do about it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Three of Pentacles. See, their intention is to make this work out between you and them. Teamwork, team effort, putting in the effort and energy from both the sides. This person is even ready to take external help also if it is required in this situation to make things work out between you and them. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles, honey, as their intentions for the situation. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Tower. Yeah, they want to come out of this mental jail. They want to unblock all the blockages that you guys are facing in the situation between you and them, and they definitely want to make this work out. Basically, they want to make this connection stable and beautiful and grounded. And they want to come out of their head, and they want to stop creating stories in their mind. I mean, this person is creating worst case scenarios in their mind regarding the situation, but they want the best case outcome out of this. That is the thing here. They can't stop thinking negative about it. They're like, it used to be so much beautiful, it used to be so much fun. I'm just giving you an example. There might be some other thing that they're kind of stuck on from the past, in a beautiful way, not in a negative way. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Knight of Pentacles. So from your side, you're kind of wanting to take things really very, very slow, and or you just want to detach yourself completely so that you can understand everything, each and everything about the situation before making a final decision here. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Let's see. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the World card. Yes, you just want to let go of any kind of confusion, or and off, in and out kind of energies out of the situation. You want to have a completion of a cycle in this direction. It's like you definitely want to put an end to some kind of confusion here, some kind of on and off, in and out, and back and forth kind of energy here. Basically, you want to cut the crap, and you want to put an end to one cycle that's not working out in your favor in this situation between you and this person. And then you want to take things really very, very slow from that point where everything is clear. Like, first of all, within yourself, it's your journey that you're going through regarding this situation internally, and you want to be very, very sure about each and everything before you're going to proceed further in this direction. And then you want to take the decision of what you should do and what you should not do. Somewhat similar to Libra. Maybe you have Libra in your chart, or maybe you're on the cusp, or maybe you're dealing with a Libra. Possible. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 1st of December, Scorpio, in this direction. Two of Cups, okay. A blending of divine feminine and divine masculine, balance, restored kind of energy. Let's clarify this before jumping into the conclusions. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here. We have the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Four of Wands. I do see two people coming together and making things very, very beautiful and stable. I do see one of you is like cutting the crap, cutting the stressful energy, and coming straight to the point of, I love you, I want to be with you, can we make things beautiful and stable again, as it used to be at some point of time, as we thought it to be. So someone is coming towards, it could be you going towards them, it could be them coming towards you, but I do see beautiful communication happening between two energies, and two energies very much invested in making something work out, and having a lot of this energy of clarity that yes, we got to make it work out. Although I don't see this is going to be an instant kind of energy, this is going to be a process where both of you are going to realize you guys have to work on this connection all the time, consistently. You know, consistency is the key from both the sides. But I do see two people putting in the effort and energy to make things work out, and this is going to happen very beautifully. Blending, it's like balance restored, very good. For you, the guidance here is the Emperor. See, if you're holding on to some kind of anger or resentment or some kind of negativity in this situation, you better talk to your partner about this wholeheartedly. Open and honest communication is required from your side. Pretending and putting on this mask of, yeah, everything is okay, everything is fine, we got to sort it out, we will do it, we will have this or that or this or that. Please do not pretend to be okay if you are not okay. Even if it is a minor thing, it can become major in the coming future. So talk it out, communicate properly with love and compassion with your partner, because I do see a huge, huge, huge possibility of the balance being restored in a connection in a very, very beautiful way. Yeah. So make good use of this energy and this timing, because it's aligning with yours. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.